Let's look at this formula as yet another example of solving for a particular variable in the formula. In this case, I want to solve for d. Once again, my formula has fractions, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 to eliminate the fractions as my starting point. 3 times a gives me 3a. Won't the 3's cancel here, just leaving m plus 2d? And now I want to isolate the variable. It's not isolated. It has this variable term m with it, so I want to isolate that variable term, so I'll do that by subtracting m from both sides. That isolates the variable term that has the d. Now, can I subtract m from 3a? The answer you should have said was no, because they aren't like terms. So I will simply have to indicate that that's the operation I want to perform when someone eventually tells me what to put in place of a and what number to put in place of m. And so now I can finish out by making the coefficient 1 by dividing both sides by 2. 2 over 2 gives me 1. That just gives me d. And there's no value to doing any kind of division here. So here is our formula solved for d. If someone were to now say, here's what a is, here's what m is, I could plug them in and figure out what d was by evaluating that newly created arithmetic expression. This is what's involved in solving formulas for one of the particular variables that's in the formula.